Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're gonna have a little fun with these super fat keto cookie bites. If you know me, you know I love little bite-sized snacks and treats, and that's why these are one of my favorite products from Perfect Keto. But I don't just like to eat them, I like to bake with them too. So today we're going to make some keto cookie dough cheesecakes. And just a reminder, Perfect Keto is giving my followers a special deal on my favorite products. You can buy one, get one 40% off, so check out the link in the video description. So let's get baking some delicious little cheesecakes. The first thing you're gonna do is take a muffin pan and you're going to line 6 of the cavities, and mine only hold 6, with either silicone liners or parchment paper liners. And then your cookie bites are actually gonna become the crust of your cheesecakes. For each cheesecake, you're gonna take one cookie bite and you're gonna put it in the bottom of your muffin liner. And then if it doesn't fit perfectly or it doesn't cover the whole bit, you can just kind of crush it and press it until you have coverage over the bottom of the muffin cup. And you want to do that for each one. So you'll need 6 of the cookies. And now you're going to set the cheesecake cups aside. And we can get going on the filling. Our cheesecake filling starts with 4 ounces of well-softened cream cheese. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sour cream or full-fat Greek yogurt. And we're going to beat that together till smooth. Now we're going to add our sweetener. Now for more of a chocolate chip cookie flavor, I recommend a brown sugar replacement. So I have 1/3 cup of a brown sugar replacement here and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll beat that in until well combined. And I recommend, as you're doing this, to sometimes scrape down the sides of your bowl and your beaters to make sure everything's mixing in properly. Now we take 1 large egg, and you want that to be room temperature so it doesn't make your cream cheese clump up, and beat that in. And now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of keto chocolate chips. I really like mini chips for this because it gives a little bit better distribution, but you can really use any keto chocolate chips. We'll just fold those in by hand. And now we can just spoon our cheesecake filling right over the cookies in the bottom of our cups. I like to use a large cookie scoop for this so that I don't slop it everywhere, which I still manage to do a lot of the time anyway. Final step. You're gonna take the last couple of cookie bites in the bag and you're just gonna crumble them up over top. And if you wanna put a few more little chocolate chips on top, I'm not gonna stop ya. Now our keto cookie dough cheesecakes are ready for the oven. They go in at 300 for 20 to 25 minutes. You want them to be set around the edges, but you want the middle to still have a little bit of a jiggle. My husband's jiggling. Jiggle, jiggle. Okay, guys, I have just pulled the cheesecakes out of the oven. They are still nice and warm, and we need to let them cool completely. And then once they're cool, you need to get them into the fridge for about 3 hours so they firm up properly. So see you back here in a few. Whew, that was a long time to wait. However, we are done. They are set and beautiful, and if I'm lucky, they should come out of the silicone cups nicely once they've set properly. So you should just be able to peel that off, and would you look at that? Perfect. You've got the cookie crust, the filling and cheesecake, the nice little topping, and it's nice and firmed up. Shall I take a bite? Yay. Yep. That is excellent. Do I have cheesecake on my face? I'm gonna do a cheesecake dance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is one easy, delicious keto cheesecake recipe. Check out the video description for the full recipe. How cute are these little cheesecakes? And they have perfect little crusts. The crust is made extra easy by using the Keto Cookie Bites by Superfat. For delicious and easy keto cheesecakes just like this one, check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.